I'm Karim Chalomboy, and today I will recite the 3 sets of 10 commandments as a safety driving as our driver. So first set is the 10 commandments of traffic. So the first one is, I will not drive when drunk, nor drowsy, nor fatigued. The second is, I will not pass without care on curbs, nor hills, nor the view is unseen by my eyes. And the third is, I will not violate speed laws nor exceed speed limits. And the fourth one is, I do disobey highway signs and traffic signals. And the fifth, I do not make a twist without signaling my intention. And the sixth is, I do not accelerate my speed at school, playgrounds, hospitals, and other dangerous zones. Number 7 is, I will not be careless when cruising at intersection. Number 8, I do not glare my headlights on approaching cars at night. And number 9, I will slow down when twilight comes and unsafe road conditions are before me. And the last one is, I will be courteous and respectful of the right of every driver and pedestrian. Okay, another one is the second set of commandments of road safety. So the first is, thou shalt not gaze at the phone. Number 2, thou shalt not throw trash out of the window. And number 3, thou shalt not or never drive intoxicated. Number 4, thou shalt not take any chances. Number 5, thou shalt not buckle up the kids. Number 6, thou shalt not drive on the bright. Number 7, thou shalt not drive with the one light or with faulty lights. Number 8, thou shalt not adhere to the speed limit. Number 9, thou shalt not keep thy distance. And the number 10, thou shalt practice patience. Okay, and the last set of commandments is the self-clearance. So first is the keep right. Number 2 is observe road courtesy. The third is prohibited parking. Number 4, if in doubt, do not overtake. And number 5, the bus stop rule, lining up on the bus stop zone. Number 6 is rule to prevent or untangle traffic jams. Number 7, observe traffic management measure. Number 8, the philosophy of Pinoy driver first come first serve vehicle. And number 9, on pedestrian. And the last is remember the international driving safety reminders. And that's all the 3 sets of 10 commandments. Thank you.